just arrived in Wales, Golden Gate in Towyn. It's a lovely caravan for the weekend. So come and join us and see what it's like inside. Oh, hiya. Welcome to the caravan. See what it's like in here. It's a bit windy here today. So we've got a nice kitchen area and an oven. Little tip for you guys, if you are coming on a caravan holiday and you've got one of these, an air fryer, bring it with you. They don't take that much space up in the car. Saves you using their oven and cleaning it afterwards. Got a nice big fridge. Nice big fridge with a freezer compartment as well. Washing machine. To the left here we've got a nice open planned living room, TV, and I think she's even put in Wi-Fi. Last time we came last year there was no Wi-Fi. Fred's already in the fridge. He loves fridges. One bedroom here which is a double. We've got two beds in there. It's a nice little spacious room. Got a mirror, some wardrobes, and you've got some overhang cupboards up there. This caravan is of somebody that we know. This is the first toilet. Got your shower in there, which is quite roomy. So this is the second toilet. Another bedroom space here where you can stick in two single beds in here. Again, you've got some overhang cupboards and you've got some wardrobe. For the last bedroom, you've got a double bed. This is actually the biggest room here. It's quite roomy. And we've got some more wardrobes. So yeah, that's the caravan. So what better place to come to than the local Asda to get all your essentials for the weekend. So we got our shopping. Now back to the caravan. So we've come to take the little pooch out for a little mooch.
Yeah,
she's excited.
She loves the beach. It's her favourite place.
So this path goes on to another part of the caravan park, White House Leisure Park. If you walk through here, down at the bottom, we'll come to the bridge. It's a little bridge that goes over the train tracks. So you get a pretty good view from the top of these steps. You've got the train tracks, and then you can see the majority of the caravan side. So we go down to the other side. It's a pedal beach. It looks a bit rough today. It's a bit windy as well. Tia loves the beach. Look at that. Ooh. Come on, Tia.
Oh, look how happy she is.
Are you happy, little girl? Yeah. Good girl.
You're wet! Hey, you're wet!
So I think we've picked a really mint time to come at the moment because it is quite quiet. The sun decided to come out, and we have noticed as well that there's a lot of caravans for sale, and I think that's due to obviously fees and prices have gone up everywhere and the cost of living.
That's gorgeous girl. Well, yeah, she loves it.
We've just got the reception and customer service information shop here.
Caravan site, you normally see different size caravans. Most of them are a standard size, about 36 foot by 12 foot. You do get the odd ones that are a bit larger, and they're normally classed as like a bit of a lodge, like this one here. That will be 42 foot by 14 foot wide, which gives you so much more room. Obviously they cost a lot more money, but they're well worth it. I think the smallest usually at about 30 foot. I don't think there's many of them on this site. Most of them are the standard size. So I've been coming to this site only, since about 2016. The first time I came, I actually hired a caravan, and it was the second one in on this side here. Due to the location and the proximity to the beach and other things, other factors, we sort of kind of liked it here. So before 2020, we started to do this part here. They've done all this part up. These were old pitches, a bit like the ones on the outside of the site, but they've revamped these pitches, repaved them, I think, given new electrics and stuff like that. Spent a lot of money here. They upgraded the site with a pool, which they didn't have before. I think that's about 5 years old now. There's a lot to come for this site.
There's some new plots in this caravan site as well. Do you have an indoor swimming pool?
I think there's a premium you have to pay.
Oh, is there?
To use the pool, and you have to book your slot online, which is on their page.
We've got a Best One shop as well, local confectionery shop. Very small, but they sell everything that you need. Fish and chip shop.
So across the road from Golden Gate and White House caravan parks, you also have Timar. Very expensive to hire on here, unless you know somebody with a caravan.
We've got a mini pitch and putt. They're massive chairs in the middle there. So they've got an outside eating area on this site. So on this site they've also got a fish and chip shop as well. So this is the entrance of the caravan site. You do need a code to get in, or whoever you're booking with will ask you for your registration, and then the barrier will just come up automatically when you arrive. Oh, they also do a laundrette. These are the opening times, 11 AM till 10 PM. Basically all you have to do is buy these e-cards. You get them on special offers, so you can see there it says buy 20 and then get 5 free, so you get £25 worth of credits. Boom! Come on, bud.
God damn! God damn! God! It's because it's mega fast and I don't like going backwards.
Let me hear you scream if you want to go faster. Okay, we go slow you down and send you backwards. Put your hands in the air if you want to go faster.
Well, this ride is pretty brutal. Yeah. It's amazing. That's right there, definitely. Yeah, we'll try and get some good footage of this. It does go upside down, round and round. Bit of a G-force kind of ride, this one. Oh, we're off. That is madness, that. But yeah, definitely do one of the best rides here in Knightleys. Spinning them. So that was the waltzers on Knightleys.
We're in the go-kart.
It's on, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. It goes fast. Oh my god. It's mental.
The pendulum. This is called the Oblivion, not the pendulum. There's some good views up here. That's it. It's windy.
It's the whole ride now.
How's it go, Sam? Oh, it's down here. He's Debbie upside down. Upside Debbie. Oh, Jonathan.
Oh, Jonathan.
What are you doing to me? I think it was supposed to spin, but I think he can't be arse spinning it, so he's just left us on it. Fred's on the Miami on his own. So that was Knightleys Fairground, and we had a lot of fun on there, didn't we, guys?
Yeah.
You enjoyed the rides?
Yeah.
A good amount of rides, to be fair. Yeah, I think we had about 2 hours.
2 hours, just, yeah, about 2 hours altogether.
Freddie went on about 10 rides, didn't you?
10 big ones.
I think me and Sam went on a fair few as well, so altogether, altogether 40 quid. Not so bad, really. And we went on majority of the rides in there.
Best place to go when you want to go to a fair on like sunny days and stuff.
We're just going to head back now to the caravan and get something to eat, because we've not really eaten all day. Yeah, and we'll probably call it a day from there. Roll on tomorrow.
This is the
So on the main road coming from Towyn to so coming on the road from Towyn to Will. So coming on the main road from Towyn to Rill, you'll get obviously there's a fresh smell of
shit. There's one road that goes all the way from Towyn into Rill, and you'll find that it's always got traffic. You're always stuck in traffic of some sort. So if you do need to be in Rill or Towyn for a certain time, always allow a little bit of extra time, because there's only one main road that goes through and it gets absolutely chocker, especially in the holidays.
But put your windows down, you'll be able to smell a lot of fish and chips.
You will. And candy floss and donuts.
You can't smell candy floss or donuts.
Yeah, you can. It's
Not candy floss.
You can.
Candy floss?
Warm candy floss, yeah.
No.
So obviously coming to a caravan holiday, you're going to need food for the weekend or the week, or as much as
You are getting worse at this. What's going on? I'll give you one tip though. You're packing your stuff, make sure you pack bleeding shorts. Because this one didn't.
I don't think he's going to put that on his YouTube one.
You might.
Alright, hey, look at me. I'll let my shorts at home. YouTube.
So coming on to a oh, fuck off.
Take 10.
Take 20.
Take 50.
Take
10.
155.
So coming on a better language. So obviously when you're coming on to, why is it coming on to? Why am I saying coming on to?
I don't know, are you coming on?
No, you're right. Thanks. So the local Asda is about 5-10 minutes away from the caravan site that we are staying on, which is Lionsgate.
It's what?
What is it?
It's not Lionsgate, it's Golden Gate.
Golden Gate.
Golden Gate.
Golden Gate.
That's not owned by Lions.
No.
That's Selden's.
So yeah,